This looks like an ordinary Coke can, but in just a few minutes, it won't look the same anymore. I'm removing part of the can's outer protective coating to expose the metal underneath. Now the can is ready. Let's see how it changes once the reaction begins. First, I place a beaker on the table and carefully pour in the sodium hydroxide solution. Now it's time to place the can into the solution and watch what happens. The reaction begins almost immediately. At first, the changes are subtle, but they become more obvious as time passes. As time passes, the aluminum continues to react. Tiny bubbles appear across the surface as hydrogen gas is released, and the metal gradually becomes thinner and weaker. The reaction is still going. The can is becoming weaker with every passing moment, and it's getting closer to its breaking point. And there it is. The weakened aluminum can no longer withstand the pressure, causing the can to burst. It's a dramatic reminder of how powerful chemical reactions can be. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to subscribe to Shock Lab for more amazing chemistry videos. Thanks for watching.